Hey guys, Chino here with Isa and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a cool makeup look for you guys. A big shout out to Kokie Cosmetics for sending me their artist palettes. Yay! So I'm going to be using their Utopia palette, which is super cute. I love these colors. It's one of my favorite palettes. They're all beautiful palettes, but this one is one of my favorites, so I really love it. And I just want to say thank you so much for sending me their palettes. I love them. I will be creating more makeup looks with these beautiful palettes. Okay, so for today I'm going to be using Kokie Cosmetics. Yes, so continue watching to see what I create. Okay, so I've already done my base, my brows, and my contour. Okay, so I'm going to start off with Kokie Cosmetics Artist Palette in Utopia. Okay, so I need to start by adding translucent powder underneath my eyes for the fallout right here. So I'm applying translucent powder. Like that. So I'm going to take this pink color to apply it on my crease. And I'm going to apply this color on my crease. And that color, I'm bringing it up towards my brow bone. So I'm extending the color up. And I'm going to do the same thing on the other eye. Then I'm going to go in with this color right here. It's like a purple hue. And I'm taking the same crease brush and I'm only going to go from the outer to like where my arch from my brow or my brow bone starts right here. So I'm not going to go over that area. So I'm just going to darken that area right here. With that purple, and I'm just adding depth to my eye. And you can see that I'm holding my brush towards, you know, the tip of the bristles, okay, as close as possible. That's going to give me the control of where I am disposing the pigment. And now I'm going to do the same thing on the other eye. Now I'm going to use my favorite color right here, this one. And I'm going to take a flat brush and I'm going to pat this color in place. It's so pretty. So I'm going to pat this color in. And I'm only going to apply it like in the center. I'm not going to go in all the way out here into the inner corner of my eye. Now here I'm going to apply the same pink that we used at the beginning. I'm going to use this color, and I'm going to take a little brush and I'm going to apply it on the inner corner of my eye. I'm going to take again a little bit of that purple color that I used on my crease, and I'm going to apply it right here. Just a little bit. And then I'm gonna drag it so I can blend those colors in here and here. Try to blend all that. Now I'm gonna add a little bit more depth on here, and I'm going to apply black. I'm taking another Kokie cosmetic palette, and I'm not gonna go with black, I'm gonna go with dark brown. And I'm gonna apply it right on the outer corner, just right there, to add a little bit more depth. And I'm blending the colors in together. I'm gonna take the same brush that I used earlier with that nice, what is this color, like a blue? And I'm going to spray it. So I'm going to wet my brush. And you're going to see how more vibrant it looks. You see the difference? So I'm going back with that pink color. And I need to blend this edge out. Okay, we don't want no harsh lines ever when you're applying your makeup, your eyeshadow, anything, your blush, nothing. We don't want that, guys. I'm gonna take my crease brush, and I'm taking a little bit of that blue, a little bit, a teeny little bit, so I can get rid of that harsh line. And I'm just gonna blend it. Unless you're doing a cut crease, we don't want no harsh lines, guys. Okay, now those are the colors that we're gonna use. And now we're gonna do eyeliner. Okay, so the eyeliner is on, and now I'm gonna remove my translucent powder because we don't need it anymore. Now I'm going to be applying Kokie Cosmetics blush, and I'm using their rose gold palette. I'm gonna take this color and I'm gonna apply it. And I'm taking this color and I'm going to use it as a highlighter. I'm taking a little brush and I'm just going to apply it here and here. And I'm going to buff it out with my fingers. And on the bridge of my nose. Now for my lashes. Alright, so my eyelashes are on. Now the final thing is to do my lips, and I'm using Kokie's Professional Matte Lipstick, and this is in Blush Beige. And that's it, guys. I'm taking a little bit of translucent powder on my brush, and I'm going to brush this out because I see that I stained my makeup just a little bit. And that's it, guys. So this is it, guys. Hope you guys like it. Make sure to hit the follow button and share this out with your friends, and let me know if you guys like this look. So catch me on next time, guys. Bye.